The second tournament will begin soon in Nanyang, China. This is the second 2021 Chinese trial for the Tokyo Olympics. The tournament will start tomorrow, 26 May to 30 May, and you have mixed double and men single, women single. The second simulation, you will also have 5 events: women double and men double. And here is the ranking after the first Chinese trial 2021 men single and women single. You can see that Zhou Qihao number 1, Fan Zhendong number 2, Ma Rong number 3, Wang Chuqin number 4. And for women, you have Chen Meng, Seng Yinsha. And Ning, now Ning is a full-time master student. She also enjoy and participate in the open ceremony of this tournament, Chinese trial. Ning tested the new robot with Qualcomm Snapdragon chip. I have explained about this robot on my blog PingSunday. The price is rather expensive. It is about $5,000. Contact me for more information about this robot.